Right then, back on the beach. I haven't been on this beach for quite some time, Burnham-on-Sea. So tide's out. As you can see, plenty of people on the beaches. There's a little pier. I intend being here for just a couple of hours. I'm not going to do massive amount, just a couple of hours, and then head off. So yeah, enjoy. Sit the first hole, no matter what it is. Hopefully we might find some coins or even jewellery. Be nice, but I doubt it. But let's have a little look around and see what we can find. See you around. Bye. All right, first target. 83, 84. It's part of a bottle, broken bottle. Just the ring around probably a vodka bottle, I would have thought. But never mind. Alright, we've got 65. Could be a ring pull, but then again could be a 10p piece. Don't think it's a coin. Could be. No, it's a ring pull. One ring pull. Alright. Not had a signal for a while. 51, 52. Could be a bit of foil, but then again it could be. There's no guarantee. But I was going to say it could be a 5p, but it's not. It looks like a button of some sort. So yeah, it's a popper. Never mind. There you go. 68, 69. Potentially that could be a coin. I'm going to expect it to be something else, but it should be a coin, to be fair. And potentially it could be a 50p. Oh, what's this here? And it is. It's a 50p. 68, 69 generally is a 50p. There you go. Alright, we've got a 72. A general rule, that's going to be 20p piece. Just gridding it around here at the moment. And there you go, 20p piece. Alright, possibly a 1p or a 2p. So 94. 93, 94. Could be a bit of trash actually, now I think about it. Let's just turf this over. Right, it's out anyway. Oh, it might be a coin. It might be. Oh, I'm out of breath. Something in there. Yeah, 2p. 2p. No, it's still saying it's deep. God, bit of bloody can. Bit of can. Never mind. That was a long way down. Right. 87, 88. Could be a pound or it could be a £2. Or then again it could be a bloody can again. Oh no, it's not. Oh, something sounds good. Oh, there we go. £1. 86, 87. I'm absolutely worn out. It's out. I've been on the dry sand for a bit. Yeah, the dry sand, and it's completely killed me. Right, it's in the scoop. Are we a coin? Sounds it. It's clicking. Yes, another £1. Oh. I don't know. Maybe my hand's dirty anyway, I know that much. Never mind. Oh, I haven't even turned you off. Right, I don't know if you can hear that. 86, 87. So, a bit of junk. Let's see what else we've got. That could be a coin. Could be. And it looks like a coin. Just see the rim. Yep, not a pound. And there you go. Oh, look at that. It cleans up really well with the old sand on that. So yeah, another pound. Right where a bit of junk was there. Pound there. So I'm glad I stopped now. Alright. 72. Could be 20 pence a piece. Alright, it's in the scoop. Let's have a look, shall we? Can hear metal scraping. And there we go. 20 pence a piece. Right where my wife just brought the dinner lunch to. I'll just have a little look around. That's the steps, by the way. It's possibly a ring pull, to be fair. It's a 63. Possible. I think I just see it pop out. I see something pop out. Yeah, there it is there. Is it a ring pull? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Alright, that's the right numbers. 87. In the scoop. Should be a coin. Getting less and less in that. Oh, I can hear it. And there it is there. £1. Thank you very much. Right then. That's a few hours done. 2.5 hours done on the beach. So I didn't do too bad. I think I got about £4.70. It's better than nothing. A couple of little bits of trash. A couple of ring pulls, but then again, I am on the beach, so I'd expect them anyway. If you got this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. Don't forget, I do have a link with Dragon Detecting now, as they're my sponsor. It's dragondetecting.com/ops10 if you want 10% off most items. I also have a offer code with relics. So if you're interested in that, that's also ops10. So if you go on the Relics MD website or do relicsmd.com/discount/ops10, you will get 10% off everything, I think. Maybe most things, but definitely I would say everything. I may be wrong. And they've got digging tools, scrap pouches, small pouches, large pouches, gloves, snake skins, and I'd expect the list will continue to grow as they're a good product. I've been using mine now for around about 2 months now, and never had a failure yet. So I'm really chuffed that I use the XL bag. I do have 2 bags. Today I'm only out with 1, but I will be buying the scrap bag, which then can alleviate the having 2 bags at any one time. So looking forward to it. I forgot to put a link to his channel when I was on the Minelab 500. I really do apologise, Andy. That was just a total mind blank, along with a few other people that I forgot. So I do apologise. So I'll put a couple of them up now. They'll be up here and maybe up here. So I'll have a couple up just so that you can see a couple that I missed. And they're important ones as well. So you've got the Coffee Bush Kid all the way over from Australia. How the hell I forgot him, I do not know. But yeah, so we was chatting for quite some time up on the big fields. And Andy, well, I just haven't got a clue how I forgot him. So I'll only put them 2 up. So I'll put their 2 links up. But please go over and follow them if you're not already following them. Both fantastic guys and both got great channels. Coffee Bush Kid is now a nomad for Nocta, so no longer pushing the Minelab around, and is now fully on Nocta. And he's a well-deserved nomad, 100%. See ya, bye.